Have you ever wondered how people make money online? Well, in today's digital age, the internet is not just a hub for information, but a vast marketplace teeming with opportunities. Today, we're going to dive into 3 specific ways individuals are making their mark and earning a living online. First up, the world of affiliate marketing. This method of making money online is all about promoting products you believe in and earning a commission every time a sale is made through your referral link. So how does one get started? The initial step is finding a product you're passionate about. It could be anything from a skincare product to a software tool. Once you've found that product, sign up for their affiliate program. After that, it's all about marketing. Use your social media platforms, blog, or website to share your experiences with the product and provide your referral link. Remember, the key here is authenticity. People are more likely to buy products from someone they trust, so be honest and genuine in your reviews. And don't forget, consistency is king. Regularly sharing and promoting will increase your chances of earning those sweet affiliate commissions. Moving on to the second method, freelancing. In essence, freelancing is about selling your skills online. Are you a writer, a graphic designer, a programmer? There's a market for you. To start, identify your marketable skills. Next, create a portfolio showcasing your work. This could be a personal website or a profile on a freelancing platform. Once you've done that, it's time to start pitching. Reach out to potential clients, bid on projects, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Remember, in freelancing, your reputation is everything. Always deliver quality work, meet your deadlines, and maintain good communication with your clients. As you build your reputation, you'll find more opportunities coming your way. Finally, we have e-commerce. This is all about selling products online, whether they're physical or digital. To start your e-commerce journey, first, identify a product or range of products you want to sell. Next, find a platform to sell on. This could be your own website or an established e-commerce platform. Once you've set up your online store, it's time to attract customers. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. And remember, customer service is vital in e-commerce. Always strive to provide a positive shopping experience for your customers. So there you have it, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and e-commerce. 3 powerful ways to make money online, each with its own unique approach, but all offering the opportunity to create a steady income stream from the comfort of your own home. Remember, success in these fields doesn't come overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of persistence. But with the right approach and a healthy dose of determination, the digital world could be your oyster. Welcome to the Digital Dollars Dynasty. Your journey to online success starts here.